Hello everybody, I have a few things to announce, so I thought it would be appropriate to make another channel update video. So the first thing that I want to talk about is, as you might have noticed, now I'm uploading videos on Mondays as well, and that used to be the case. If you've been a subscriber for a long time, you know that I used to make two videos as well, but the two videos used to be both related to 3D printing, and I also didn't pre-record anything, and I had a couple busy months in the December to January time frame, and that basically meant that I couldn't upload pretty much any videos, so I had to drop to one videos a week. And I also ran out of 3D printing related ideas at that time as well, so I couldn't continue. But now I decided to bring the Monday videos back. But the difference this time is the Monday videos won't be focused around 3D printing anymore. Well, there might be occasional 3D printing related videos on Mondays as well, but usually they will be other areas of tech, so maybe computers or headphones or I don't know, anything random that I want to upload. So there may also be like these videos, channel updates, or random miscellaneous videos like the last week's Mitutoyo caliber video. So yeah, these won't have any effect on the Friday videos. They will still continue to being related to 3D printing. After I'm done with the weekly Black Widow mods and go back to bi-weekly, it will be 1 week Black Widow mods, the next week another 3D printing related video. And speaking of which, I want to talk about the Black Widow mod series and how it's been going. I'm really happy with the feedback that I received when I announced it to being a weekly series for temporarily. But as I explained in that video, that's not going to last forever. There are reasons why I can't make them weekly for a long time, so mainly because, well, two reasons. One, I usually don't have enough time to make a Black Widow mods video every week. They take far more effort compared to the rest of my videos. And secondly, I'm usually waiting for parts to arrive from China. That's not the case this time because I'm working on the duet and the control box, so I can go as fast as I can, but that's not the case usually. So I think I'm going to make 2 more weekly videos in that series. I'm not 100% on that, but I think that's how it's going to be. And then I'll go back to being bi-weekly. As I explained, I can't do them. But one thing that I'll say is I'll try to make them more often, and I'll make few videos that release early. So you might have noticed in the past that I occasionally release a Black Widow mods video early, a week early, and I'll try to make more of them because I know a lot of you guys are subscribed to my channel because of that series. So yeah, I'll try to make them as often as I can. I also want to talk about the new changes to the art style of the channel. So you might have noticed from the last few videos that I have new thumbnails. I'm still working on perfecting them, so if you have any criticism on those, just let me know in the comments below. I'll also redesign the banner of the channel to have a better designed one, and maybe change the logo as well, but I'm not 100% on that. I'm also considering making like very short 5 seconds or so intros on my videos to make them feel a bit more professional. If I do them, they will be related to series. So for example, the Black Widow mods series will have its own intro, and I don't know, the Octoprint tutorials will have another one, and computers related stuff will have another one, etc. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to do that or not, but that's just an idea that I'm considering, and again, if you have any opinions on that, let me know. I'll also probably make an outro, or at least a different end scene, because that end scene that I'm using currently is just a random image I found online and doesn't really fit my channel, so I'll probably redo that as well, and I'll try to figure these out as I go, but you will see a few changes over the next few months in that regard. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to talk about. No, there's one more thing that I want to say. It's just a quick thing. I now have a Twitter account. I don't know how often I'll share stuff there, but I occasionally will probably. And the stuff you'll see is more sneak peeks and the things that are going on the background, and I don't know, maybe I'll do occasional twists that I don't want to make into videos as well. I'm not sure on that, but you'll see stuff that's going on in the background. So if you care about that, I have the Twitter linked in the description below, and you can follow me there. I also have my Thingiverse account linked in the description as well, so I upload anything that I design. For example, the control box for the Black Widow mods, that's on Thingiverse, and you can find anything that I upload there as well. Currently I have just 3 designs, but as I do more, that will be shared there. So if you want to see them and see them immediately, you can follow my Thingiverse as well. So I don't think there's anything else that I want to talk about this video. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you. Now I have over 60 subscribers, and I know a lot of you watch everything that I upload, so you are keeping me motivated into making more videos. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you, and thanks for watching.